Today we're going to talk about adding Screencastify, which is a way to record your desktop, and it is an add-on to Google Chrome. So we can either go for and search the Google Chrome Web Store or click on the three dots at the top right hand, click on More Tools, and click on Extensions. At the very bottom of Extensions, you will find a Get More Extensions, and this will take you directly to the Google Chrome Web Store, and we're going to search for Screencastify. It's like this right here. Because I've already added it, it says rate it, but you'll see a blue add to Chrome. So you just want to add it to Chrome. Once you've done that, you will get an icon that looks like this, and it allows you to use anything in your desktop and record it. So it could be used for a lot of different things, for students to clarify their thinking, for you to create directions so you don't take up valuable class time doing those kinds of things. It's an excellent tool.